Hey guys, you're welcome to Live Fashion Food with Ego BK. Today let's talk about how I turned this frozen papaya that I almost threw away into something delicious. I used what I had at home. I didn't know I'm not supposed to put the papaya inside the freezer, so when it was frozen, I almost threw it away because I know when it thaws, I can't use it again. But thank God I was having some other fruits at home, so I turned it into a smoothie. Now let's talk about what I have here. I have my bananas, my fresh bananas, my papaya, my coconuts, and my orange. I like my I also have my blender, so I poured in my coconut into my blender and I blended everything. I am adding that orange because I like my smoothies to have this tangy taste. So I do not have lemon around, so I had to make do with what I have. So this is what it looks like after blending. So I'll pour it into a sieve. You can use a finer sieve. So this is the milk. I like using plant-based milk in my smoothie rather. So I brought out my juicer and I juiced my oranges. So I have two of them. I juiced them, and I like this food processor. Look at it, it's juiced out everything. So this is the orange juice I got from my two oranges. So I'm going to pour it into the coconut milk. I like using plant-based milk in my smoothies. Next, I'm going to blend my bananas and my papaya. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to blend them. I'm going to pour in my mixed orange juice and coconut milk, and then I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when blended, and it's smooth enough, I think. So that's it. I poured it into my cups. Oh my god, it's looking so good, and I'm telling you, the taste is heavenly. You can try this. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipe and other interesting videos. Follow me on Facebook at Live Fashion Food. I love you all. Bye.